In this video we are going to create an augmented reality app for indoor navigation using a Revit model combined with the latest version of AT+Explore and its newest one-to-one build template. This is the first video of a new series called Proof of Concept, where we share business ideas for real-time apps that everyone can build using Unity. I'm Ennio from Ambience, and in this channel we talk about real-time applications for the industry. Let's begin. For this project we are going to use a Revit model of our office that we made some months ago, but you can use any model you want. We want to align this 3D model to the real world with the AR build template added in AT+Explore version 1.3. Then we are going to add a custom script for the indoor navigation. Let's create the project. I'm going to speed up the import process here, but we are using Unity 2019.4, AT+Explore 1.3 and AT+Sync 1.4. Now that the project is ready, we can go to Revit with the addition of the AT+Sync plugin, click Export, and then go back to Unity and synchronize the 3D model inside the scene. Now we can search for doors and deactivate them because we don't need them actually in this project. Now let's switch template in AT+Explore. We need an option available only for the AR template, so we will add the marker here, and then we are going to add a similar marker in the real office. Now we need to add a navmesh. The navmesh is a 3D mesh that you can create in Unity that can be used by artificial intelligence to move inside a level. Normally the AI is some video game enemy trying to shoot you, In this case will be a line that will take you to the desired location. Actually, after importing the model, I noticed that in the Revit model there wasn't a wall added some time before the creation of the model, but no problem. We can switch back to Revit, add the wall, and then sync the model to Unity. Now that our model is ready and our navmesh is baked, let's see the basic script we are going to use. This script will try to connect two different points in the scene with a line, and this is the basic code to do this. We can test it in the editor, and as you can see there's a red line connecting two game objects. We are going to add a bit of graphics and interactions to this base script. First of all, let's substitute the debug line with the line renderer. Now let's add a material to the line renderer. And now with some small addition to the script, we can add different targets to the 3D scene, and for each of them we are going to add a button to the UI to help select one of the target. Let's test it again in the editor and we are good to go. Now what we want is to completely hide the geometries imported from Revit, but at the same time using them to hide the navigation line behind a wall. The result is pretty nice considering that we used 4 lines of code of this shader. Now let's open our MacBook and build the app for our iPad, and that's it. Of course, this is a simple test that needs graphics and scripting polishing, but I think it's a good starting point. You can find the full source code in the description of this video. Do you like this project? Do you have some ideas to improve it? Please share them with us in the comment section below. The next episode of this series will be online in a couple of weeks. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Bye bye!